Welcome to Technoland Expart. Watch till the end and join us at our community where you will get the real platform to start your own business. Visitors are more likely to stay longer and explore when the website is visually pleasing, intuitive, and responsive across devices. The Hot Deals carousel further sustains engagement by offering dynamic, ever-changing content, which gives users a reason to revisit regularly for new offers. The website also serves as an excellent platform for data-driven marketing. Through integrated analytics, it can track user behavior, such as most viewed items, abandoned carts, and click-through rates, and use these insights to tailor personalized recommendations and targeted ads. For example, if a user frequently views juice or vegetable products, the system could automatically highlight related promotions or complementary items, like salad dressings or snacks, during their next visit. This personalization fosters a sense of relevance and care, which significantly enhances conversion likelihood. Beyond its functional elements, the site also reinforces emotional marketing through color psychology. Warm tones like yellow and orange used in banners evoke energy, freshness, and positivity, ideal associations for food-related purchases. The green accents symbolize health and sustainability, aligning with current consumer trends toward organic and eco-friendly shopping. Together, these visual cues help shape the customer's perception of the brand as reliable, wholesome, and modern. Furthermore, the inclusion of categories like cameras and laptops suggests that the underlying platform might support a multi-vendor model or a general store setup, which broadens the business's scalability and target audience. Such flexibility allows the website to function not only as a food marketplace but as a comprehensive e-commerce ecosystem. This kind of hybrid catalog can attract diverse consumer demographics, students looking for electronics, families shopping for groceries, or working professionals seeking convenience, which ultimately increases total traffic and potential conversions. The strategic layout of pricing, with bold, black typography for easy visibility, and rating stars also contributes to social proof, reinforcing product credibility and reliability. In the context of digital marketing effectiveness, this website stands out by merging content marketing, through lifestyle imagery and descriptive visuals, performance marketing, through clickable banners and promotions, and UX-driven marketing, through clean navigation and quick access to cart functions. Its design inherently supports SEO optimization, keyword-rich product names, descriptive alt text for images, and structured data markup can improve search engine visibility, ensuring that users find these products easily through organic search. Thanks for watching. Contact with us to join us at our community.